Let's straighten up now.
They have to put all the little parts in the right slots. A triangle.
Hey! Up,
Ba-boom! Hammer it in.
a circle,
Bam!
a square,
Bonk!
and a triangle.
Boom!
Huh?
Peck liked it a lot. Another square? Hey, ants! Where are you carrying that plank? They can't hear. They are very busy.
Hi.
Now they've heard you.
Ah.
Hop took the plank
A bolt.
and started building something.
A nut. Another nut. And another bolt.
Hey, ants, do you know what Hop's built?
A swing